Hello everyone, how are you? Fine? Very nice. So welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Okay, today we are going to learn literacy subject. So be ready with your literacy skill book, workbook, pencil, eraser. Settle down with all the books and pencil eraser fast. Okay, so children, can you tell me what we have learned in the last episode? Do you remember what teacher has taught you in the last episode? Yes, very good. We have learned vowel E words. So have you all done the practice? Once I will take the revision. Teacher will ask you on the board. Teacher will show you the pictures. You have to tell me the words. Okay. So I will see how much you all are studying at home. Yes or no? Okay. So everybody fold your hands and look at the board. Okay. So tell me now, which word is this? Very good. It is B and a bed. Very nice. This? Yes, very nice. D and a den. Very good. Hen. Yes, H and a hen. J at a jet. Very good. Which picture is this? Net. Very nice. N at a net. Next one, which picture is this? Very good. P and a pen. P at a pet. Yes. Next one, which color is this? Red. Very good. R and a red. W at a wet. Okay. So we have learned this vowel E words in the last episode. Okay, children. So you all are knowing the words. That means you all are studying at home. Okay. So clap for yourself. Very good girls and very good boys. Okay. In this way you have to do the practice at home. So you will be able to read the words. Very nice. Keep it up. Okay. So today we are going to learn the next vowel words. Tell me, which is the next vowel? A, E, I. Very good. So today we are going to learn I vowel sound, letter I vowel words. Sorry. So first you have to pay attention on the board. You have to read the words after teacher. Okay. All are ready? Yes. See the first word. First letter. Which letter is this? B. B, E, B, bib. B, E, B, bib. B, E, B, bib. Next one. B, E, N, bin. B, E, N, bin. B, E, N, bin. D, E, G, dig. D, E, G, dig. D, E, G, dig. L, E, D, lead. L, E, D, lead. L, E, D, lead. N, E, B, nib. N, E, B, nib. N, E, B, nib. See, this is a nib, okay, of a pen. S, E, P, sip. S, E, P, sip. S, E, P, sip. S, E, T, sit. S, E, T, sit. S, E, T, sit. T, E, N, tin. T, E, N, tin. T, E, N, tin. And last is Z, E, P, zip. Z, E, P, zip. Z, E, P, zip. Okay? Understood? Yes? Repeat after teacher once again. N, E, B, nib. S, E, P, sip. S, E, T, sit. Z, E, P, zip. L, E, D, lead. B, E, B, bib. D, E, G, dig. T, E, N, tin. B in a bin. So now turn the page, next page, page number 101. So here we have to trace and write the words. See the heading, what is given over here? Practice, read. First you have to read the word, then you have to trace the word. Again one more time you have to write the word, okay? So see the first word, dip. Come on, write. Dip. Dip. Next word, tip. Next word, sip. Write in good handwriting. Dip, tip, sip. Dip, tip, sip. Done. Next word is pin. Which word is this? See the letter P. Sound pin. Pin. Done. Next is sin. Done. Next word, win. Win means what? To win the race, okay? Yes, to win the competition. That is known as win. Win. Next one is kid. Kid means small child, okay? Yes. Kid. Done. Next one, head. Write fast, in good handwriting you have to write. Again one more time you have to write. Head. Next word, did. Okay, done. See the words, dip. Repeat after teacher. Dip. Sip. Pin. Sin. Win. Kid. Head. Did. Okay, done. Very nice. Now what you have to do, you have to open your literacy workbook now. Okay children, what you have to do is you have to open your literacy workbook. Teacher will tell you the page number. You have to open page number 3434. Okay, yes. So what you can see here children, tell me what you can see. See, what we have to do is match the capital letters with the small letters. One has been done for you. Means what you have to do, one side they have given capital letters and the other side small letters are there. We have to match this capital letters to the same small letters. Understood? See now, first which letter is this? A. Very good. And small letter A is here. So here one sample is given. Okay, yes, you can see the line. So they have matched the capital letter A to small letter A. Understood? Now next letter is B. So tell me, where is small letter B? This is small letter B? No. This is? No. Here? Yes. So you have to match this capital letter B to small letter B. Done? Next is capital letter C. Where is small letter C? Yes, first. So you have to match this capital letter C to small letter C. Next letter is capital letter D. So you have to match this capital letter D to the small letter D. Okay? Done? Now capital letter E, we have to match this to small letter E. Finished? Done? Okay. After this you have to turn the page. Next page, page number 3535. Okay? Same we have to do. Okay? Now see here. First, which letter is this? Capital letter F. Very good. So they have matched to small letter F. Next is capital letter G. So where is small g? Is this letter small g? No. This is? No. This one? Very good. So you have to match this capital letter G to small letter G. Next is capital letter H. So you have to match this capital letter H to small letter H. Done? Next one is capital letter I. So you have to match capital letter I to small letter I. Okay? Next is capital letter J. You have to match this to small letter J. Done? Finish? Very good. Now turn the page. Next page, page number 3636. Same we have to do matching. Okay? See, first is capital letter K. So they have matched to small letter K. Now next letter is capital letter L. So we have to match to small letter L. Done? Next is capital letter M. Where you can see small m? Yes, it is here. So match this capital letter M to small letter m. Done? Next one is capital letter N. You have to match it to small letter n. Done? Next letter is capital letter O. So you have to match it to small letter O. Complete fast. Okay students, so tell me what we have learned today. Which topic we have learned? Yes, we have learned vowel I words. So you have to practice this at home. Up till now we have learned vowel A vowel words. A, after A which vowel will come? E. Yes, A vowel words, E vowel words, and today we have learned I vowel words. So you have to practice this all words at home. Also you have to do the practice of phonic sounds of letters A to Z. Okay, so meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.